New brain imaging technology is pioneering Alzheimer's diagnosis and treatment, and it all starts with the detection of a protein.
The team's chief researcher said the protein begins accumulating in the brain in the early stages of Alzheimer's. Findings could help doctors diagnose the disease earlier and thereby help patients avoid developing some of the symptoms.
They created a chemical that binds with the protein and can be detected during brain scans. Researchers say the protein begins accumulating in the brain in early stages of the disease.
Finding a cure for Alzheimer's disease has been tricky for researchers. The problem, according to the BBC, is the brain starts to die before any symptoms are detected, resulting in too late treatments. A diagnosis of Alzheimer's cannot be made with absolute certainty until a patient has died and their brain is examined. It's also not 100% clear what is the cause of the dementia and what are just symptoms. According to the Alzheimer's Association, Alzheimer's is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States, affecting nearly 5 million Americans. It estimates that without medical breakthroughs, the number of people with the disease will triple by 2050. Which brings us to beta amyloid, the protein found in the brain of every person who has ever had Alzheimer's and is believed to cause the onset of the disease. Using mice models and building off work from a previous study, researchers noticed when beta amyloid was removed, the brain exhibited higher plasticity, which is essentially the opposite of Alzheimer's disease. The National Institutes of Health is donating $45 million in funds behind several new research projects on Alzheimer's disease, the largest of which is a $33.2 million grant for a research project trying to better understand how beta amyloid causes Alzheimer's. The brain scan findings were published in the journal Neuron. The protein research was published in Science. For Newsy, I'm Megan Murphy.